Alright guys, so I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new 4K digital camera. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, so you get the user manual. Let's check out the accessories. Type-C cable. Looks like a strap. HDMI, two mini HDMI, two batteries, a charger, and then a lens cap. And then here's the block for the Type-C cable. And a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. And a cleaning cloth. Now let's actually look at the camera. So I do like that it comes in this case right here. Check it out. Very nice. What I do like about the screen, it does come out like this. So that way, if you're doing like a selfie mode or you're doing like a vlog this way, you're able to do so with that screen. So very cool. So let's actually go ahead and set it up. We'll go ahead and put the battery in there. So then it will just go right down here. So we'll just push that in and it locks right into place. Go ahead and close that up. And then right down here is where we'll put our micro SD card that is provided. I do like that they give it to you so that we don't have to go out and buy another one. And then we'll just go ahead and click that in. And there it is. So now we'll go ahead and actually power it on. Got your power button right here. Okay, cool. What's cool is that you can use this camera, since it does have that 3-inch display, for either like creating YouTube videos, conference calls, anything like that. One of the things that I did want to point out is underneath here, you are able to connect a microphone. And then if you want to display it to like a laptop or a TV, they also provided that mini HDMI to HDMI. So I do like that you're able to display pictures and videos from here onto different monitors or TVs. Navigation is really simple. So if you hit mode, so right here it's got a little camera letting you know that it's taking pictures. So it does do 48 megapixel pictures. And then if you push the mode, so you can see it turns into a little video camera. So if you want to record video, you can do so as well. And then right here is kind of like your library of videos. So you're able to, quickly view your pictures or videos right on there. But we'll go ahead and switch it over to video. And let's just do a quick video directly from here so we can see how it looks. Directly from the camera itself, I do have it on the highest resolution, which is 4K on the video camera. As you can see, the quality of the picture is actually really good. Maybe you want to attach like a microphone or something to it, just because the audio quality might not be as great, but I do like that it has a microphone, so that way if you need something really quick, you're able to get that audio. But the video quality actually looks really well, and the fact that it has that 180 flip out screen makes it very convenient, so that way if you're centered or part of the screen you want to be on, you'll be there. I really do like the quality of the camera, 4K quality. If you don't want it at 4K, you can also make it just 1080 HD, and you can kind of just fluctuate depending on what the quality is or how much storage you're actually trying to use up. But as you can see, the camera itself records really, really well. All right, here's some examples, some of the photos I took real quick of my dog. I did bump it up to that 48 megapixel quality. So if you guys are looking for a new digital camera that does 4K video, 48 megapixel quality photos, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.